Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to do a review on my two Coach Rainbow Collection bags, and I'm going to put them together in one video because I really want to get these reviews out there for you guys. I know at least one of these is already sold out, but I'm hoping that they will make more and that they will be there and available for future outlet sales. And so I will put below the timestamp in the description box if you want to skip over the first review and just go straight to the second so you know where to start the video. So the first bag that I'm going to go over is my belt bag from the Coach Rainbow Collection. I've been using this for the last 4 or 5 days and I've really been enjoying it. It's the first time I've really used a belt bag for a long period of time, and it is a pretty large design. So it doesn't actually really look that great worn as a belt bag. It's really been made more to wear like across your chest style. If you do want to wear it around your waist, it will fit. The strap is super adjustable, but it looks better on your back side than on your front side just because of how it's designed, and I will show you that in some mod shots. So just to take you through the features of the bag really quickly, you have the front pocket here that has the really nice nylon, really cute rainbow zipper pull with the blue plastic zipper. Then you also have a back pocket that runs all the way along the inside of the bag, and you have a top piece, and this is my one pet peeve about this bag, is why they put this big old chunk of brown leather on the top. I think this is such a missed opportunity to use a cool color here or even more canvas, but to have this like brown chunk on the top I think is not the most aesthetically pleasing. I still really like it and I think it's a really fun bag, but I wish they had made a different choice here. Even white leather would have been like less interruption to the design in my opinion. In addition to, of course, the fun coated canvas in the rainbow CC print, you have this amazing rainbow strap that is, like I said, highly adjustable. So it can hang almost all the way down to your waist, crossbody style, and it can also be shortened up to go around your waist, bum bag style. So there's a lot of versatility here in terms of the strap and how you can wear it. The buckle itself is metal, but the actual piece that goes in is plastic, and I have had a little bit of trouble getting it to click a few times. I wish they had also made this metal, or they had made this plastic, so maybe they would be a little bit more compatible. So that's just another little pet peeve of mine. My last pet peeve about using this bag is that this strap is, while it's highly adjustable, it's pretty hard to adjust. You really have to fiddle with it. It's very tight. I think that would probably get better with use, and I think they did that on purpose so that when you're wearing it, it's not getting bigger and bigger. It stays the size you want it to stay. But I just want to point it out in the review if you're somebody that maybe doesn't have a lot of this dexterity in your fingers, or you just don't have the patience to fiddle with a strap, this may not be the best choice for you. So let me show you how I have packed it. I did take the cute little rainbow tag off because I don't want to lose it. You guys know I've lost specialty tags before and been hunting for them forever before finding them, and it's a pain in my butt. So I just take them off now, but this is what it looks like. It's so cute. I do not want to lose this. It has the Coach printed in rainbow, and so I just tucked it inside so I won't lose it. What I've been carrying in here is my snap card case that I also got from the Rainbow Collection. Really am enjoying this particular style of wallet. It holds a ton and it's really compact. So if you have not picked up this snap card case, or you don't like this snap card case, they have it in other types of leather and styles. So definitely take a look at it if you're looking for like a small wallet that really packs a punch. I also have my little pouch that I always carry with me that has like all my essential items in it, medications, scrunchies, feminine hygiene products, all that sort of thing. And then there is a little slip pocket here, and in there I have a little baby hand sanitizer. I also have my car keys and the tag, I think is the last thing in there. Oh, some eye drops. So it's a good spot to hold some little items, or maybe like a lip product. And let me show you this other really cute detail on the inside if I can. The patch, the Creed patch, actually has the Coach also printed in the rainbow font, which I think is so cute. And then on the back side, I have been carrying masks for my kids and myself, and also I've been slipping my phone back here. This is a really large pocket. I mean, it is huge. You can fit any size smartphone in here easily. You could even probably, hold on, I have one out here. Let's just try it out. Could you fit a full-size wallet back here? Oh my gosh, yes you could. You could have a full-size wallet back here and your phone, and then just put little items in the front pocket. It's a really sizable belt bag. Like, it's very, very large. So let me try it on for you guys so you can see the different ways that you can wear it and how it looks on the body. Okay, so here's the scale against the body. You can see it is quite large, like I explained at the beginning of the video. I've been wearing it a couple different ways. I've been wearing it off to the side. So that's what that looks like. I've also been wearing it around the back a lot. It looks really cute, worn, kind of that messenger style across the back. I've also been wearing it in the front like this across. So you can see it does take up quite a lot of space on the body. Let me show you the strap and how it adjusts, and then I will adjust it to show you it on the waist. You kind of have to push through. We have to get this leather piece out of the way first of all. And then you've got to push, you got to pull and push and then kind of work it down like so. There's a couple of leather pieces to keep the strap from pulling or getting kind of that boingy thing that happens sometimes. So I'm going to keep working on this, and then I will come back and show you what it looks like as an actual belt bag. All right, here's what it looks like across the front as an actual belt bag. You can see it's quite large, and I find it to be a little bit bulky. I guess you could tighten it up to try to get these sides to go down, but then it kind of digs in. I don't know that it looks that flattering so tight, but that's what it looks like across the front. You can also wear it across the back, which I think looks nicer. Since it's nice and wide, it goes across the back really nicely. Sideways, not as big of a fan, just because of, once again, how much these pieces stick out. They don't really mold to the body that well. Let me also show you the strap all the way extended lengthwise so you can see just how long it is. So I will be back with that adjustment. Okay, here's the strap all the way lengthened. This is as long as it goes. So you could wear it kind of like across the body, like a crossbody style. I've seen people wearing it, belt bags like this before. It is a little high on the hip, but it does work, I think. And that does make it really easy to get in and out of if it's way down here. So lots of options with this bag. I think it's really cute and functional, and I'm definitely gonna keep using it. All right, the next bag I want to talk about in this video is the very, very popular Rowan Satchel. Now, this is the one that I do believe may have sold out. A couple people commented on my unboxing that it was gone. I don't know if it's back. I don't know if they're gonna make more. They have this particular style in other leathers. It's not just part of this particular collection, but in terms of this rainbow collection, this was definitely the most popular seller by far. It's just a really great value, as I explained in my unboxing video. You get an awesome bag, a satchel that you can carry on your arm, and then you get this amazing rainbow strap, which is completely detachable, and you can use it on so many other bags to jazz them up. And I will show you that once I do the mod shots at the end of this portion of the review. But I just want to go over the features really quick and show you what fits. So once again, you have this coated canvas in the Rainbow CC print, super lightweight. All the things from these collections are lightweight because they are mostly coated canvas. You have a front zip pocket, which is actually fairly big. I would probably stick pretty small items in here, like easy access, maybe a lip product, eye drops, little hand sanitizer, kind of like the slip pocket in the belt bag. That's what I would use this for. I don't think it's gonna fit a smartphone. So yeah, that's kind of a bummer, but what are you gonna do? At least you have an outside pocket option, right? You once again have this really cute rainbow Coach hang tag. You have these same really sweet little nylon zipper pulls that are also rainbow. No back pocket, and then the bottom does have feet, which is awesome, especially for an outlet quality bag. That's a great detail that you don't find on a lot of outlet bags. The handles and all the trim is done in a smooth brown leather with brown stitching, and you have this plastic blue zipper detail once again. So let me show you the opening. And kind of like a Speedy, to me this is kind of reminiscent of like a Louis Vuitton maybe Speedy 25, around that size. You are gonna have a smaller opening just because of the nature of how the bag is sewn. This one does open pretty wide if you get both hands in there, but if you're just reaching one hand in, it might be kind of hard to see your stuff. It's not a super generous opening, so just something to be aware of. I know that annoys some people. They really want a nice big opening so they can see everything. And then inside you just have one large slip pocket and you have one large zip pocket, and the rest is a big hole for your stuff. This would be a great bag for an organizer, just like maybe a Speedy would be. So if you're looking for an organizer for this, I would go look at Louis Vuitton Speedy organizers, and I bet they would fit in here so great. So let me show you what fits. It's actually, it looks small, but because of the shape, it holds a ton. So I pulled out like my super mega big pouch that I hardly ever use from Longchamp, just to show you that it fits in there great. I'm gonna put a full-size wallet in next to that. I'm gonna put my huge glasses case in next to that. I have another big pouch. I'm gonna put that in next to that. And then let's see, I have yet another pouch, the one I always carry. I could still put this wallet in there, not that I would need it because I already put a full-size wallet in, but I just want to show you the capacity. You do have to stack your stuff a little bit because it's a taller and more narrow style, but if you're willing to do that, this fits a ton. And then you still have room in this front pocket for your tiny items, like your car keys and your eye drops and that sort of thing. So it definitely holds a lot. The last thing I want to talk about on this bag is the glorious strap, which is really the whole reason I bought it, let's be honest. It has some adjustability here, so you have a little buckle on either side that you can kind of lengthen the strap or shorten it, but it's not super adjustable, just not like the belt bag strap I just showed you where the whole thing can move up and down. It's just this little bit of leather on the ends that can make it longer and shorter. And here is the webbing of rainbow awesomeness that made me get this bag. It is such a cool strap. I absolutely love it. So let me show you some mod shots of this bag so you can see what it looks like on the body. And then I will also show you this strap on a couple of other bags. Okay, so here's the general size against the body. And crossbody, it works fabulous. It's narrow enough that it's not like pendulous and super bulky hanging all over the place. You can put it in front, you can put it behind. You have these handles here, which you need to decide what to do with if you're gonna carry crossbody. You can either have them be sticking up, or you can just lay them down next to the bag. And I think either way works great. They've given enough extra room here for the handles to both lay down flat, which is nice, and it doesn't really get in the way of your body on the other side. So that is what that looks like crossbody. Let me show you what it looks like on the arm for those of you that like to carry satchel style bags. Y'all know it's not my favorite, but some people love to carry their bags this way. So I just want to show you what it looks like, or to hand carry. Really cute little bag, great size. Really love the size of this. And let me show you, pulled out a couple of bags to try the strap on. I wanted to show you one colorful option. So this hardware on these, the strap and the bag don't match, but look how cute this is. You can make anything rainbow fabulous with this strap. Any color will go with this because it has every color. So, I mean, I just think it's such an awesome accessory to have. Let me show you something kind of wild I pulled out. And I don't know if this is gonna work or totally clash. We're gonna find out together. I pulled out my new favorite MM that I just picked up in my bundle deal recently unboxed. Look, that hardware matches pretty well. And let's try this out and see if this is total craziness or total awesomeness. Oh, I think that's kind of awesome. So you have, you know, the kind of understated neutralness of a nice brown bag coupled with a fun strap. I think that looks awesome together. I love it. And it's super comfortable because this strap is so wide and it's that webbing. It feels really great on the shoulder. So definitely recommend this strap if nothing else. So those are my thoughts on my Rainbow Collection bags that I picked up during the last Coach sale, and I'm honestly a big fan of both of them. I think they're both incredibly versatile. I think they both serve great functions in anyone's collection, and I would recommend both of them to everyone. If you're into them, I would say try to go pick them up, and hopefully they're going to be on the outlet site, which I will link below. And I've been getting a lot of questions from people wondering if the Coach outlet site is fake or if they sell counterfeit bags. No, it is owned and operated by Coach, and it is a legitimate retailer. It's basically the same as going to a Coach outlet at your local outlet center, but it's just online. And so it's a great way to shop, especially during this time when we can't really get out and do in-person shopping. And they've been having collections like this, like the Rainbow Collection, that is just online. From what I've heard from people, they have not seen this in the Coach outlet stores. So go ahead and take advantage of it if you see it on there. Keep checking back if you don't see it. You never know when they start clearing out warehouses and getting rid of stuff during sales. Sometimes they pull out or find boxes of this stuff and put it up there. So keep checking. Like I said, I'll link the outlet site below where I bought this stuff. And if you have any comments or questions, or if you picked up one of these bags and you want to share your opinion on it down below in the comment section, please feel free. And as always, I hope you guys will subscribe and continue to support me here on YouTube. I truly appreciate it. And I will see you on my next one. Bye.